There you go, guys, just another tip for you. If you want to keep all your fishing gear in top nick, just hit it down with this stuff every couple of trips. You'll generally know if it needs it. Sort of, you get bait and shit sticking to all your grips and whatnot, but yeah, it keeps all your rollers working well and keeps the salt from sticking to it. I haven't had any problems with the mono or the braid deteriorating quicker. I'm pretty bad at changing it out regular anyway. I've been doing this for about 10 years, spraying it down with this Inox-style 4 there, and yeah, I always rinse with fresh water anyway. But I find this just helps prolong the life of all your gear, anything that rusts or that's metal. Yeah, you can just go nuts with it really. Spray line, everything, and yeah, it just helps maintain all your fishing gear. Yeah, that's just a total tip for you. Also the salt off salt remover stuff helps as well. I'll rinse that down when I'm doing my engine and stuff like that every now and then as well. Just helps get rid of the salt, because I find just straight water just doesn't get it all out. Alright guys, cheers.